to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Chinwe. Today's video is all about skin prep. I will show and share with you guys how I prep the skin before applying makeup. And as you know, skin prep is very important. After prepping the skin before applying makeup, it will make the makeup very smooth and seamless. Your skin will be as smooth as butter. It will not have gallops or patches. It's not just prepping the skin, you have to prep it very well. And some people tell you, I don't want to apply makeup on my face because it brings out pimples, because they don't prep the skin well. When you prep your skin well, the makeup will sit on top of the prepped skin, not on your skin direct. You get what I'm saying? After prepping the skin, the makeup will now sit on the prepped skin, not in your skin. These are some of the products I use to prep the skin, which I will show you how I did it. So this is the first one to clean up the skin. I will write the names in the description box so that you check it out there. This is a hydrating primer, this is a mattifying primer, and this is my setting spray. So let's get to the video. You have to make sure you clean all the dirt very well, thoroughly well, with the cleanser, so that you remove all the particles, the heat, anything that will obstruct the makeup. You can see how dirty the face is. This is the hydrating primer, and this product is very nice. It's 3-in-1. It moisturizes, it primes, and it's perfect. I'll put the name on my description box so you check it out there. I apply it all over the face, so when I do it, I don't really need another moisturizer. It works for me perfectly. Although I still apply another primer just to matte the face, but this one is very okay to moisturize. This is a mattifying primer, very good though, but I apply it only on the highlight areas, under the eyes, the forehead, and the jaw, so to mattify their areas. That's the makeup. All those highlights will not sit on top of it. It won't come and enter your skin. So that's the essence of this mattifying primer. Finally, this is the last stage. That's the setting spray. You spread it all over the face and allow it to dry before applying foundation. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and on the notification bell so I'll be notified whenever I make new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.